Hire virtual assistants to perform daily cold outreach and generate leads so that you or your sales team can close the sale. They can help you connect with potential clients while you focus on doing the work that you love doing and you do best. Using virtual assistants to acquire new customers can be a highly effective strategy. Here's how you can make the most of virtual assistants to get more customers. 1. Define your target audience. Before you start, it's crucial to clearly define your ideal customers. Provide your virtual assistant with detailed information about your target audience, including demographics, interests, and pain points. This ensures they focus their outreach efforts on the right prospects. Create a cold outreach strategy. Develop a comprehensive cold outreach strategy that outlines the goals, messaging, and tactics your virtual assistant will use. This strategy should include email templates. You should create personalized email templates that your virtual assistants can use for their initial outreach. These templates should be well-written, concise, and tailored to the recipient's needs. Follow-up sequences. Plan follow-up sequences to nurture leads who haven't responded to the initial email. These sequences should be designed to keep potential clients engaged and interested. Social media outreach. In addition to email, consider using social media platforms for outreach. Your virtual assistants can connect with potential clients on LinkedIn or Twitter, engage in conversations, and share valuable content. Here are 4 places you can research hiring virtual assistants. Upwork. Upwork is a popular freelancing platform that offers a vast pool of virtual assistants with diverse skills. You can browse profiles, review ratings and reviews, and hire virtual assistants based on your specific requirements. Time, etc. Time, etc. specializes in providing virtual assistants for entrepreneurs and small businesses. They offer a highly curated selection of skilled virtual assistants who can assist you with various tasks, from administrative work to marketing. Zirtual. Zirtual is a US-based outsourcing company that connects businesses with virtual assistants. They offer a range of virtual assistant services and can help you find a suitable assistant based on your needs. Online job boards. Platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, and FlexJobs often feature job listings for virtual assistant positions. You can post your job requirements or search for virtual assistants who have listed their services.